Hi guys, this is going to be a very quick one. This video was requested by Maureen. So she DM'd me on Instagram and she was like, hey, can you do for us a video on a satin bonnet tutorial or something like that? Yeah. And I was like, sure. So I'm here to say thank you, Maureen, and this video is
Oh
for
my
you.
god. Joe P got this one.
Wasn't in a Vatanako, yeah. You know I'm a ride for you, yeah. You know I'm a die for you, yeah. Wasn't in a Vatanako, yeah. Wasn't in a Vatanako, yeah. You know I'm a ride for you, yeah. You know I'm a die for you, yeah. Wasn't in a Vatanako, yeah.
Kila siku nikiwaza ili penzi letu lanijaza moyo, wewe wanijaza moyo. Mahasidi marafiki wote wajaribu kulivunja ndoa, but no they don't know this loving is forever. No retreat, no surrender. Watachoka kusema mimi na wewe, no pretenders. This loving is forever. No retreat, no surrender. Watachoka kusema mimi na wewe, no pretenders. Sasa wewe, my pretty baby, things will never be the same. Ukiwa nami, wakija kututenganisha hawataweza. Mimi na wewe ni wa milele, tuko milele. Unavyonipenda, tunavyopepea, siwezi eleza. Umeniweza. Unavyonipenda, tunavyopepea, siwezi eleza. Umeniweza.
Mwili hauna spare, nakupa roho yangu, promise utakuwa fair. Yeah, hata nikikosa fair, nitapiga squad ni yamini ya be there. Chunga hamafisi ni mambwe, wengine ni mabe. Chocha za mandai na machupa za Belair. You know that I come aboard, always takes care of you my darling, so don't you worry. Always be happy, show the cute smile on your pretty face. You my sunshine in the shady days. Ando my keo senga, undo kana kena new ways. Moved up from the funny.
One eternity later.
No shoe shiner, I'ma die for you. African woman, I adore you. And I just called just to say that I love you.
Sasa wewe, my pretty baby, things will never be the same. Ukiwa nami,
Yani sasa ndio je imeamua itatoka when I am done doing everything. But so here's the bonnet. If you are going to be going to sleep, if you're going to, na venye mtu anakaa peaceful. So yes, you can make this bonnet in the comfort of your homes. There's no need of having a sewing machine. You can just sew it since hakuna kitu mnafanya, which I assume it's true. So yeah, make this, then you can tag me. If you make it and post it on Instagram, hey, tag me and then I see what you've made. And then if it's good, we will appreciate you. Yeah. And if you have enjoyed this video, a sub to this channel would be amazing, by the way. Sawa.